Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about yoga for weight loss. And before we start the video, there is a link in the description below. So let's say if nothing is working out for you, no weight loss, no dieting, nothing's working out, then watch the video in the description below and just follow the instructions there, and that will absolutely help you to lose weight. Now let's start this video, and it says that you have to focus on the power of thought as you build strength and awareness in the arms and abdominals. This 31-minute warming practice invites you to work with the body rather than on the body. So we check in with the attitude that surrounds how we feel about our bodies while building upper body strength, waking up the abdominal wall and bringing some energy to the third chakra, or the power center. This sequence will have you stepping off your mat feeling your best physically and mentally, and then you can actually go in and watch the steps in this video. But you don't need all that. You don't need to do yoga. You don't need to actually spend so much time in your gym. All you need to do is just watch the video in the description below, and that will solve your problems of weight loss. So just follow the instructions in the video, and you can just lose your weight in a matter of few months. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video, and keep subscribing to our channel and like this video. Thank you.